Hello everyone and welcome to Blinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix a missing Wi-Fi driver on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. If your network driver is missing, the first step is to open up the Start menu. Search for Device Manager and click on the application. You will then need to expand the drop-down next to Network Adapters. First, make sure your network adapter is not accidentally disabled. Sometimes, it can appear missing when it is actually just disabled from the list. When a device is disabled, it will have a disabled icon next to it. You can re-enable it by right-clicking on your adapter and selecting Enable Device. If you still cannot find your network adapter in this list, right-click on Network Adapters and select Scan for hardware changes. Your adapter should then appear in the list. If that does not work, you can click on Action in the top navigation and try Scan for hardware changes there as another way to solve the issue. The third method to get your driver to reappear is to click on View in the top navigation and then select Show Hidden Devices. Sometimes, the Wi-Fi adapter might simply be hidden. If this is the case, it should now appear in this list. If all of those steps do not work, close out of this window. Open up the Start menu again, search for Settings, and click on the application. On the left-hand side, select Network and Internet. Scroll down to Advanced Network Settings, then scroll further down to Network Reset and click on it. Finally, press the Reset Now button and confirm with Yes. After completing this, you will need to restart your computer. Once your computer has restarted, you should be able to access Wi-Fi, and your Wi-Fi adapter should now be showing up. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.